What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So if you guys read the title, this is pretty much, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can make full print waterproof sticker on the cheap, like the cheapest way as possible. I've been reading a bunch of like Reddit threads, searching on Google, and a lot of people don't really explain on how to do it, so I'm just gonna dive straight into it. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. So before you start, you gotta make sure you guys actually have weatherproof sticker paper. That's the most important thing. You guys can buy like different brands, but I actually bought a specific brand that I like, and hopefully you guys like the quality as well. If you guys just buy regular label paper, I'm telling you right now, it's not gonna work. Even though if you're gonna use laminate or if you're gonna clear coat them, if moisture gets on the backside of that sticker paper is gonna get destroyed, and yeah, you just wasted some money, and trust me, it's not worth it. The actual sticker paper that I actually bought is from Online Labels. If you guys want to get the actual number, this is the actual number. So if you guys want to pause the video, you guys can go ahead and pause the video. You guys can copy the information here. This is the actual sticker paper that I purchased, and trust me guys, like this type of sticker paper is quality. So there's two routes you guys can actually do. If you guys really want to be on the cheap side, you guys can actually buy clear coat. I haven't done that yet. I'm actually gonna do a test on clear coat today, but I actually just bought laminate just to do, you know, something quick. Try to test it out as fast as I can. And these are just examples of what stickers I made. Like these are the actual stickers that I made. As you can see, it's covered in laminate. You guys can see that gloss. I know for a fact clear coat works as well. If you guys are spraying clear coat on that sticker paper, you guys want to do at least like 4 or 5 coats every 2 minutes. So that means on the first coat you're gonna spray and wait 2 minutes. Second time, spray again. Third time, spray again. 4, 5. I suggest you do 5 coats because you're trying to get the entire sticker covered, and if the entire sticker is not covered with that clear coat, again, if moisture gets onto the ink or whatever type of printer you guys are using, it can damage the sticker, and again, you're just wasting money. But the actual laminate that I bought was actually from Walmart. It's called the Duck Clear Laminate. If you guys want to check this out, this was around like, I want to say $5 for like, I want to say this was like 10 feet, so it's pretty cheap. But again, I want to do both routes and see which one I like, if I want to laminate the sticker or if I actually want to do clear coat. But yeah, if you guys really want to make your guys's designs or whatever like that, my suggestion, if you guys want to get them printed or anywhere else, go to Kinko's, guys. I think Kinko's costs like, I think now like 65 cents to do a full print sheet. Like that's like super cheap if you guys don't actually have like a good printer. I don't go to Kinko's anymore. I actually have a pretty good printer. I have a Canon Pixma Pro 100, so that prints amazing. But if you guys really want to go like on the cheap side, you guys can just buy your sticker paper, get them printed at Kinko's, and yeah, you're good to go. I mean, 60 cents, it's like, or 65 cents is really cheap. And again, you don't have to worry about your own ink, because that can get expensive as well if you're not making enough sales on your stickers. So if you guys just want to test out the waters, buy the sticker paper. That's gonna cost you like 20 bucks. You can go to Walmart to either get laminate or clear coat, depending on what route you guys want to go to. And number 3 is make your good designs on Photoshop or whatever program that's free. Go ahead and make it quick, and go to Kinko's, just put it on their printer and print it out. You're gonna save yourself a ton of money. Trust me guys, I know, trust me. So hopefully this video actually helped you out, and if you guys are actually doing this type of route, let me know in the comments down below. I love your guys' feedback, and hopefully you guys can actually get some sticker sales, or this can actually help you guys make some side money. That's just my suggestion if you guys are just starting out making stickers. I'm trying to just show you guys how you guys can do it the cheapest way, and I'll do another video of me putting these stickers on my car and actually showing you guys that these are waterproof. But that's on the next video. But if you guys have any other questions, you guys can leave a comment down below. Go ahead and like this video because this actually helps the channel a lot. And again, I'll see you guys on my next video. Later, guys.